Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we dissect the markets and help you make sense of it all. Today is February 4th, 2025, and we're taking an in-depth look at QQQ, the Invesco QQQ Trust, tracking the Nasdaq 100 index. Recent news has been dominated by the ongoing trade tensions between the US and China, with new tariffs implemented and counter-tariffs imposed. This has created a volatile environment, with market indices like the Nasdaq showing significant fluctuations. We will correlate news events with chart data to understand how the markets are reacting. Let's begin by examining the daily chart to get an overall picture of QQQ's performance. Looking at the daily chart, we can observe a clear upward trend over the last few months, despite recent volatility. The price has been consolidating between major support levels around 400 and resistance near 450. There have been some periods of sharp decline, but the overall trend remains bullish. However, recent price action suggests a potential short-term bearish trend. The price has recently broken below a key support level, indicating a possible short-term reversal. Let's analyze the 1-hour chart to understand this trend reversal better. The 1-hour chart provides granular details about QQQ's recent price activity. We can see that the price formed a series of lower highs and lower lows. This suggests a weakening of the bullish momentum and further reinforces the short-term bearish trend we saw on the daily chart. The volume on the 1-hour chart shows increased activity during price fluctuations, signaling traders actively participating in the market. The recent decline was fueled by heightened concerns regarding the US-China trade war, as investors become more risk-averse. This reflects the negative correlation between economic uncertainty and QQQ's price. Now, let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart to identify potential support and resistance levels and short-term trading opportunities. The 15-minute chart provides a close-up view of the intraday price movements. We observe some strong resistance at 525 and support around 515. These levels could be crucial for short-term price action. Breaks above 525 could signal further gains, while a fall below 515 could indicate an acceleration of the bearish trend. To summarize, QQQ shows an overall bullish long-term trend, currently experiencing a short-term bearish phase. Key support levels to watch are 515 on the 15-minute chart, 500 on the 1-hour chart, and 400 on the daily chart. Key resistance levels are 525 on the 15-minute chart, 530 on the 1-hour chart, and 450 on the daily chart. The likelihood of a short-term recovery is moderate, contingent on resolution of the US-China trade tensions and positive economic indicators. However, a sustained break below the key support levels could lead to a more significant price decline. Things to watch out for are the resolution of the trade conflict and the subsequent market reaction. Keep an eye on the volume during any potential breakouts or breakdowns, as it will provide further insight into the strength of the move. As always, risk management is paramount, so utilize stop-loss orders to protect your capital in this volatile environment.